Computer education at its best. Ave Maria Computer Center, Center for Excellence. In association with NACTET, National Council for Technology and Training.
Dear friends, welcome to another class in Microsoft Excel. Today we will be learning under Formula menu. There is a logical menu. In that there are various categories like AND, if condition, true or false, rank, grade, etc. Today we will be learning all these. For example, in this sheet we have created a purchase details of an institution. There are various categories like product, ID, item, quantity, rate, amount, etc. Here we are planning to give 10% discount to a person who has purchased goods worth 1000 or more. Then automatically that 10% discount will be deducted from the gross total and the net amount will be shown. We will be seeing how to do that. Here already I have entered all these details. Now I will show you how to proceed to get an automatic discount deduction and so on. Once that is selected, I have to go to formula bar and click if condition, then in bracket it will open a bracket, and here we can see what all things we can enter. Logical test, value if true, value if false. That is, if the purchase is less than 1000, if the value is false, what to do? If the purchase is more than 1000, that is 1000 and above, what is to be done? So all these things are going to be based on this gross total. This 10% is calculated on the basis of this gross total. So I click that cell I click, then it should be greater than or equal to 1000. So I enter that symbol, greater than or equal to 1000. That is the true condition. Then comma, then it is going to be based on this gross total, so I have to go and click that cell once again, this gross total cell, that is E8. So when I click, it automatically appears on top. Now into 10%. So this gross total, this gross total is 10% will be calculated when we give like this. Then comma, if false condition, what to do? What should we give? No discount will be given, so it should be 0. We enter 0 and make sure to close the bracket. For any if conditions, when we open a bracket, we should also close it. When we press the enter button on the keyboard, automatically we can see the discount calculated there. And now we need net amount to be given in the next column. So we go and click that cell. Then this we have already learned, is equal to, so I click first the gross total cell, then minus, then discount cell and enter. Then automatically the amount comes there. What if the purchase is less than 1000 rupees? Let us see how to do that, how it will appear. We delete 2 entries. Automatically discount is 0 because 805 is the gross total. So false condition applies here. Now we will be seeing how we can enter the marks obtained by students of a class and how we can get the total and average, result, rank, grade, etc. Here I have already entered these titles and the names of the students and the marks obtained by them is also entered. Here AutoSum, we already learned about AutoSum. So through AutoSum already it is calculated there. In total it is already calculated. Now we go to result. If this student, particular student Anju, has scored marks less than for 35 for any subject, that student will be a candidate who has failed. And if the marks obtained are more than 35 for all the subjects, that student will be considered as a student who has passed. If conditions we can use, but if condition we use as we have done earlier, only for one subject that logic will be applied. But we want to apply this one to all the subjects, Malayalam, English, Maths, Science, Social. Then there is a provision for that. That is using and equal to is equal to, then click if condition, then and, then you want to click in the cell, first cell, that will automatically appear. Then we have to give is greater than or equal to 35. Then another condition will be applied. We put comma, then again select the next column and follow the same procedure. And for all these we follow the same procedure. So all these conditions will be applied. Make sure to enter the comma. Again for the social, comma, you can click that greater than or equal to 35. And this person should be considered as a person who was passed. That is, if logic is correct. I close this bracket. So first closing is for and condition. Then comma, we are going to give what should appear in that column, result column. If they have more than 35 or equal to 35 for all the subjects, it should be pass, but that should be given in inverted commas. Make sure it is given in inverted commas. For other students, what should be given? We put comma, then again inverted comma and fail. Inverted comma should be closed, then enter the close the bracket. That if conditions bracket is closed here. Once that is done, is perfect, we can come and enter. Automatically you will see the results coming in the result column. Already it is just come. Now I go and drag here. I can see for all the columns the result has appeared. For Shiny has failed because she has scored less than 35 in some subjects, so she has failed. This is how we bring out the result. Now let us see the rank. One who scored the highest will be the first, next second, next third, like that. For this, what do I do? After clicking in this cell, I have to go to formula bar. Before that, we are going to base our rank on result as well as the total. Now I go to formula bar, I select this cell and go to formula bar is equal to, then if condition, if. After that, the logical test is going to be the result, whether they have passed or failed. If they have failed, they will not be getting rank. So I have to enter that. For that, what do I do? As I said, is equal to if bracket is opened. Then I have to select the cell, this cell where I have entered pass or fail. I click that, automatically J2, that cell is entered on top in the formula bar. Then I give is equal to, and quote is opened, inverted comma is opened, and enter pass. So if they have got pass in that only, they will get rank. Then others, so I have to put comma, Then here I enter rank. Then a new bracket is opened, and rank comes if basing on the total they have secured. So I go and click this H2, that's the number. Now reference is the whole thing, so I should drag and select the whole this H columns or the cells there, and automatically it is selected there. Now I have to lock this. If I don't lock this, what will happen is that I may obtain different marks. I go there and click, I select those two, that was H2 to H6, and I press function key F4, and then we can see that one lock sign has come, and comma and 0, and close the bracket. Now the bracket for the rank is closed. Now I have to close the whole bracket, but before that I should also give some remarks in the cells of those who have not received any rank. For that I again open the code and enter no rank, and you can close the inverted commas and enter the final bracket, if conditions bracket, and just press enter. Here I have not entered comma, that's why it is showing that. So make sure that I enter comma here. After this bracket I have to enter comma. Once everything is done, enter. Then I can see ranks. Add rank, and all the ranks appear here. One was failed is given no rank. This is how we calculate a rank. Now we will see how to give grades for all these students. Now we will be giving the grade as per our calculation and the conditions we have supplied. Those who received above 90% of marks will be given A+, those above 80 will be given A, those above 70 B, and those above 60 will be given C. These are the grades we are going to give. For this we will be using nested if. Nested if is used when we have to open more if conditions inside. Here we have to open more if conditions, so we will be using nested if. How do we do that? Let us see. I go here in the formula bar and enter is equal to if condition, and bracket opens. Then is going to be based on this cells. These cells are going to be the basic for this calculation of the grade. So I go and click in this cell, then greater than or equal to 90, and make sure to enter in inverted comma A+, and close it, and again comma. Then we enter next condition, if condition again. So again click if, then enter the bracket, then go and click in the same cell, average same cell again, once again same way, then greater than or equal to 80, comma should be entered, and give A, and make sure to give comma. Here I have forgotten to put the comma, put the comma there again. Then again proceed the same way. Next if condition, again click in the same cell, and greater than or equal to 70, they will be considered as B. All these commas and inverted commas, please don't forget. Again we go to the next if condition. Again click on the same cell, greater than or equal to 60 will be considered as a people those are received C grade. And for others, those are received less than this, what do we give? We can give D grade, or we can mention no grade. I am going to mention here as they have not received any grade at all. So I open the quote and enter no grade. And all these inverted commas should be double inverted commas. I have to close so many brackets as I have opened. Here I had opened 4 brackets. I am closing 4 brackets. No grade also I should have given quote. Double quote was not closed. So now I go and enter and select the whole thing, and I can see here A grade, C grade, and the A plus. And those who are not received grade, it is mentioned no grade at all. These are all basing on this average or the percentage that is calculated there. I hope today's class was useful for you. Please go and practice more. You will be able to get it, and it will be very, very useful for you. I will come back in another class with much more useful tips. Thanks for watching.